Today we're gonna be checking what new software releases Samsung pushed out, and here they are, guys. There is a new version for the One Hand Operation Plus. There is very fancy and useful module for good luck. You can check, by the way, my good luck videos here to the right, and also there is an update for Routines Plus. So let's just dive in and see what the new changes are. The version for the One Hand Operation Plus right now is 4.5.30. Improve long swipe gesture recognition, fixed an issue where the gestures didn't work in certain situations, and of course my favorite, other bug fixes. Okay, gonna hit here the update button. Let's also check the new improvements in the Routines Plus module. Right now this version is 1.027. Okay, there are some new things for the S Pen action, so everybody out there with notes, yeah, that's for you. Change the menu name, error action now is called S Pen action, not a big thing. Fix issues where unsupported error actions are provided on some devices. Okay, and now the interesting part, guys, touch macro. Support to create a touch macro without specifying application, which was not possible in the version before. And there are some other fixes. Fix no keyboard issues during some operation, and fix the FC issue related to library compatibility. All right, I'm gonna hit also the update model. I'm gonna go back and show you guys there are also new versions for the Samsung Internet Browser, for the Pen app, the Samsung Text-to-Speech. Okay, Samsung Internet Browser, what is the new thing? Version is 14.0.3.5. Fix performance issues while using ad blockers, fix stability issues, temporary freezes, up crashes, etc. And improve operation when the video is in full screen from DeX. And this is useful if you're using DeX from your phone to your big monitor or smart TV. Then also Pen app. Okay, Pen app, only UX enhancement and bug fixes. And the Samsung TTS, it's not so interesting for us. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go inside and launch Good Luck module, so that we are able to check these new things. So the first thing I want to check is the one hand operation. So if you scroll down here in family to one hand operation, indeed, make sure that you're always using the latest version. Click on about. Okay, it's 4.5.13.0. That's the latest one. Now, if you switch it on, guys, I did a video about this. I'm not going to repeat the video itself. Right now, this version should work better with long swipes. Okay, so if you're using one hand operation on one of your phones, check this out. I'm gonna go back now to Unit and go to the Routines Plus, and I'm gonna add a new touch macro, trying to do one without actually specifying an application. So this here, it's under the second menu, run a touch macro, okay, start a routine to trigger a series of touch actions, okay. Previously, this was not possible without specifying an application. And in my last video, I was opening Spotify, going to one of my favorite playlists, and I think you know it. All right, let's try to create a touch macro without specifying an app. So I'm gonna click here, and I'm going to call this test, okay? And we're gonna be choosing this cat icon and also the orange color, that's the VST color. So if start manually when start button or widget is tapped, okay, then okay, run a touch macro. Previously, guys, you can see this is here indeed my old, right? I'm not gonna add this time. I'm gonna click here on the I about touch macros. You can create a series of touches and swipes in an app that will play automatically when the routine runs. All right, but I don't want to add an application. So how can we create a touch macro without adding an application? Let's press here add button. Select application, and now we have none. Okay, now that's interesting. I'm gonna choose none here, gonna press next, and I'm gonna record a macro. And the macro will be, I'm just going to go to the recents menu and kill all my applications, so why not? All right, click record here. Okay, I'm going into recents app, I'm closing it all, I'm stopping it. All right, I'm saving it. All right, let's add a name here. I'm gonna put kill apps, okay, like that. No delay, I'm just gonna press save here. Now I have it, guys. What happens if I press play? All right. Oh, okay. Closing all. Boom, as simple as that. This one is crazy. Guys, I didn't have any recent applications. Let me try to open some of the applications. We're gonna open that one, gonna open Galaxy Labs, I'm gonna open Nice Lock, I'm gonna open this one as well, I'm gonna open Wallpics. Okay, I have now, I think, enough applications. Let's go back to Good Luck and let me create a nice shortcut. I'm gonna go back to Routines here. Gonna go to run a touch macro. So my macro is created. I'm going to name that one Kill Apps, okay. I'm gonna choose again the cat and the color. All right, let's press done here. And I'm going to set the actions, press done, and I'm gonna try to save this one. Add to home screen, yeah. I'm gonna press the add button right now. So Bixby Routines widget added to home screen. Now if I go to the right, I should be seeing this kill apps icon. Now let's see, I have some applications open. When I click these kill apps, all my apps should get killed. Let's try to test this. Okay, starting the routine. It's amazing, guys. It is amazing what you can really do. Before you were really limited and you had to choose an application, right? Right now you can execute native core actions directly on the home screen. This is really insane, and again, Samsung are doing a great job. I really hope that you like this video. If that's the case, please subscribe to the channel, put a like to the video, and yeah, we can have a short chat if you join our Telegram channel, or hit me down below into the comments. Guys, please and your family stay safe. I really hope that you have liked this amazing new feature from Samsung, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.